So in our roster, we have the preventive side, and these are all the screening, cancer screening, gut health. We're increasing our services on a day-to-day basis. And then on the other side, for curative, we also have our partner hospitals, our partner specialists. So the care model is about really caring for the person, collaborating with everyone, and aligning. And at the end of the day, it's about enabling everyone, empowering everyone to be healthy. And again, because we are in the middle, we want to be part of it. We don't want people to just, okay, I heard, I watched about stem cell. I want to have it. You don't even know if that's appropriate for you. If you have pre-existing condition, what is or who is the best center to go to. So we'll do that for them. We screen it, and then we screen the partners, and then we make sure that our clients are, led to the right facilities.